Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I took this plastic bottle. It was having already a very nice shape like a doll figure. So I'm using this as I have been using this one in my previous videos as well, this plastic bottle. So anyway, here I took foil, I twisted and I cut it into two pieces to make her arms. This is almost same procedure to make the figure for the doll. I will be sticking it first with the hot glue, then I will skewer them with the masking tape. So this is how I have made them, and then I will be bringing both arms in front like she will be holding the flower basket. So here I have skewered the arms with the masking tape. Then I will be making the head and neck by using the foil again. After making the base for the head with the foil, I'm using this clay face I have made, and this is also you know how I made this in my previous videos. So this is air dry clay, any kind of air dry clay you can use. So I found the bottle is a little bit small in height. It will be more beautiful if it's long, like she's wearing a long dress and her height is big, tall I mean. So that's why I'm using this cereal box cardboard, thin one, soft one, and I'm wrapping it around the bottle, skewering it with the tape and the hot glue to make it more A-shaped dress. So then later on I will be cutting it from the down to make it properly stand, because it's not stable position at this time, because I'm wrapping this paper cardboard around the bottle, so from the bottom it's not equal, so I will be cutting the rough edges. Now here I have this white glue and water mixture, and I'm covering all the doll figure with the tissues and glue mixture. By leaving the face and head empty, I will be covering all around the bottle. So here I'm using, after the tissues go dry, yellow color acrylic paint. I will be covering all her dress with this color. I will leave this dry completely. After it got dry, here I'm using this texture paste or spackling paste you can call, just to make the roughly flowers with this palette knife. This is first time ever I'm using this knife to make something flowers with the texture paste, because I love this work, but I never tried it, so this was the first time as well I'm making these flowers with the spackling paste. If you don't have this paste, or if you don't have texture paste or anything like this, you can make the flowers with the craft foam even, or with the clay as well, so that's not a big issue. So here I'm making her dress, decorating with some flowers. Down bottom are big flowers, and as they will go upward they will be a little bit smaller. After flowers go dry, I'm using this green color acrylic paint to make the detailings for the flowers, the branches and the leaves. To color her face, I'm using this skin color, light brown chocolate color you can say, acrylic paint, covering her neck and face and over the head, obviously all around. And then I'm using this page color, light page color yarn. It was very soft one, and it's having many layers inside, so I'm trying to open them by very sharp or something needle type stuff tool to open the place of the yarn, the thread, to separate them, to give them the look of hairs. Here you can see I have prepared some of them, and then I'm using this transparent glue. I will be applying it all around her head, and then I will start to stick the hairs by using a tool. So this is how it looks like now with the hair. I made quite long. You can style them in any way you want, high bun or leave them like this, or braid even. So here I'm using black acrylic paint and red acrylic paints to highlight the face features. I have already prepared a flower basket with the clay and some flowers in it, which I will be making it stick between her arms like she's holding the flower basket, and then you can see how it looks beautiful with the shiny glossy face looks and beautiful hairs. And I'm totally loving this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed as well. So if you want to watch more videos like this one, please comment down below, let me know, and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos on your social media, and thank you so much for your time to watch the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.